Every year, millions of people try to change their lives. New workout plans, new diets, new morning routines. And every year, most of them fail. The reason? You're taking on too much at once. If you've ever tried to overhaul your life and crashed a few weeks later, this is why. Your brain is okay with you changing one thing, but ask it for too many changes and it's going to get fed up. James Clear, author of Atomic Habits, says you should focus entirely on one thing. And like I always say, you're either with James Clear or you're wrong. And he says this because habits require energy. The more changes you try to make, the faster you burn out. Studies show that willpower is a limited resource. The more decisions you force yourself to make, the weaker your self-control becomes. Think about a time you tried to change everything at once. It probably worked for a few days, maybe even a few weeks, until you missed a day, got overwhelmed, and gave up entirely. Maybe at the time you told yourself, I just need to be more disciplined. Or maybe you think less of yourself because you imagine other people changing habits with a snap of their fingers. But no one can change multiple habits at once. No one. If you see someone with multiple healthy habits, I guarantee you they form them over time with plenty of trial and error, just like you. Just like me. Instead of trying to change your entire life overnight, pick one habit and lock it in first. My advice, pick the one you are most motivated to change. Tiny, focused changes lead to big transformations over time. Jeff Olson of The Slight Edge says, most people hold time as their enemy. Successful people understand that time is their friend. What he's saying is that most people listen to the advice in this video and they think, this is too slow. I want these changes now, all of them. My life's a mess. But successful people understand that that's impossible. So there's no sense chasing after that fantasy. Put your thoughts and energy toward the real way to change, which is small actions compounding over time. Time is your best friend. Stop measuring your success in terms of days or even weeks, but in months or years. Meaning, if it takes 3 months to get a habit change down, you should be seeing that as a win. So, an example, instead of I'm going to get in shape, start with I'll do 5 minutes of exercise every morning. I actually have a recent example in my own life. I had never really posted consistently on my videography Instagram, and I wanted to start. It took me from the time I decided to do this to my first post 1 month. Is that a fail? Am I a complete moron? No, that's just how new habits work. I started carving out time during the week to learn about Reels. I didn't even know how to make the vertical videos out of my horizontal videos. If I had tried to start off day one posting Reels, I would have gotten overwhelmed and quit. But instead I started small, and now a month and a half later, things are going smooth. And that month and a half flew by. Time's my ally. Going back to the I'll do 5 minutes of exercise every morning example, even at how simple that is, it can still be complicated. What exercise will you do? A body weight routine? Is it an app or a YouTube video? Or will you run outside? Do you have running shoes? You ran for a week but realized you hate running. Now what? There are so many little decisions and hurdles. Do you see now why just one change at a time is plenty? But once that habit becomes automatic, then you get to stack the next habit change you want to make. And you'll be coming at this new one with confidence because you've already changed one habit, you know it's possible, and you can do it again. Your identity shifts, you see yourself as someone who can make meaningful changes in your life. You'll be unstoppable. So, how to apply it today? If you are currently trying to change everything, pause. Pick one habit that matters most. Ask yourself, what's one small change I can make today? How can I make it so easy I can't fail? What's the next habit I'll add after this one sticks? The key to success isn't intensity, it's consistency. Slow progress beats burnout every time. What's one habit you're focusing on right now? Drop in the comments. If you want to learn about some of my favorite habits, check out my video here. I try to come up with unique ones people don't talk about as much. And if you want to keep learning how to fulfill your potential, like and subscribe.